Kaya dito guys, as in parang nagsugat siya, pero nangitim siya na sobrang hapde. Na hindi ko mabuka yung bibig ko. Ramdam ko guys na hydrated yung skin ko, hindi siya nagda-dry. Grabe guys, kapag inad mo na yung Instant Lift Serum, sobrang ganda na agad ng skin mo. Talaga nag-glass skin talaga siya. And I highly recommend this for sensitive skin, oily skin, or dry skin ka man. Maganda tong set na to guys for you. Hi guys! It's me, Princess Ika Blackburn, and for today's video, I will be trying these 3 sets. And ito guys is set ng Brilliant products. Natawag dito guys is Brilliant Skin Trio Sets. So, tatry ko siya itong tatlo na to. Kung maganda ba yung kakalabasan niya sa skin ko for 30 days. And in this product, I will be trying this Foamy Facial Cleanser, this Micellar Deep Cleansing Water, and this Instant Lift Facial Serum. So guys, bawat product is na-try ko na, and if you want to check it out, I'll try to leave it in the description down below kasi guys, nagawan ko na to ng video, tong tatlong to. So before I start, I would like to explain each product. So what is Foaming Facial Cleanser? How much is this product? Well, I bought this for 350 pesos. So what is Micellar Deep Cleansing Water? How much is this product? Well, I bought this for 220 pesos. So what is Instant Lift Facial Serum? How much is this product? Well, I bought this for 330 pesos. The first thing that you will use is their Foaming Facial Cleanser. Maghihilamos ka muna ng maligamgam na water. Then, apply this Foaming Facial Cleanser. Make sure na circular motion ang paggamit niya dito sa pagbrush. After that, you will use their Micellar Deep Cleansing. Always pa-upward motion yung paggamit niya dito para iwas guys sa wrinkles. Then the last step is using their Instant Lift Facial Serum. You can use this twice a day. So, pwede nyong gamitin to sa umaga and also sa gabi. So guys, I really hope na na-explain ko kung paano gamitin tong sets na to. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys! So ngayon is pupunta kami ng mother ko doon sa lolo ko kasi birthday niya ngayon. Guys, gumawa rin ako ng isang video na ito lang yung tinatry ko. So, ginawan ko na ng video to lahat. Sa first week, second week ko na paggamit ito, namalat guys yung aking dito sa may part na to. Tapos dito. Lalo na dito guys, as in parang nagsugat siya. Hindi man siya totally sugat, pero nangitim siya na sobrang hapde. Na hindi ko mabuka yung bibig ko. Kasi sobrang sakit talaga guys. Tapos dito sa my nose, medyo naghapde. Pero usually dito, namalat maigi. Tapos dito din. Pero ngayon guys, hindi naman. Tinap ko lang siya ng 1 week na ginagamit ko to. Tapos bumalik ulit ako dito habang ginagamit na itong set, yung trio set. And ngayon, wala naman ako nararamdaman guys na hapde. So, isa-isa ko silang trinay guys. And lahat ng products na to is sobrang love na love ko. Tapos isipin mo, paano kung isang set na talaga yung ginamit ko? Like, itong tatlo na talaga. Di mas talang gaganda yung skin ko. Kasi ang problema ko lang dito, talagang pricey siya guys. Also guys, always add sunscreen kapag lalabas kayo because it is very important. So yeah, that is it for today. And mag-video lang ako guys sa birthday ng lola ko. So let's go!
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you.
Hi guys! So good morning! Nakapag-brush na ako nito habang naliligo ako. Ang gagawin ko naman ngayon is gagamitin ko yung Micellar Cleanser. And may pupunta na ako guys. Kukunin ko yung packaging na sinend sa akin ng Brilliant Skin Essentials. Panalunan ko yun guys sa pag-giveaway nila. And I'm so happy kasi first time kong manalo sa pag-giveaway. And nanalo pa ako doon sa pinaka-favorite ko na brand, which is Brilliant Skin Essentials. Halata naman siguro dahil sobrang dami ko ng reviews na ginawa dito. Ramdam ko guys na hydrated yung skin ko. Hindi siya nagda-dry. Like, grabe guys, kapag inad mo na yung Instant Lift Serum, sobrang ganda na agad ng skin mo. Talaga nag-glass skin talaga siya. Ang problem ko lang guys, kapag nagkaka-pimples ako, nagkakaroon talaga ako ng dark spots. Yung mga pimple marks, like this here. Like this one. So, yun lang guys yung parang medyo problem ko ngayon sa skin ko. So guys, this is finally it and I'll just try to go now. Hi guys! So I am finally back and ito guys yung nakuha ko dun sa Brilliant Skin Essentials. And guys, I'll just try to pop a video, a clear video ng mga laman nitong lahat na to. Kasi gagawa ako ng unboxing nitong package na sinend sa akin ng Brilliant Skin Essentials. And for sure, pagtapos ko na tong video na to, natapos ko na din yon. Thank you so much, Brilliant Skin Essentials, for sending me this. And I am very happy right now. Always remember guys, na kahit pinadala to sa akin ng Brilliant Skin Essentials, and pag ginawan ko sila ng video isa-isa, I will still be doing a honest review because my video is all about that. Ang goal ko dito sa channel na to is pagkatiwalaan niya ako. So yeah, that is it for today.
Seems strange, try to song about someone looking in the rearview, dreaming about the lone sun. I'm not really thinking about the waves, about the next one. Not really about that, you did never like that. In the way it feel to me is all the truth now. I'm not really sure how I love you and that's why I'm learning so much about love. Of course I'll make the drive on up to see you. 2 hours is nothing, 2K was a bit too much for my heart or hands off.
Hi guys! So, kakatapos ko lang mag-video dun sa isa kong ginawang video kanina. And ngayon guys, ang gagawin ko naman is mag-drawing lang ako kasi may sketch ako kahapon or kagabi na drawing na BTS and I just wanted to draw that. So yeah, and also guys, this is just a fake bangs. I really want to have a real bangs pero alam mo yung struggle pag may bangs, mahaba na nga yung buhok ko, tas magbabangs pa ako. More struggles sa life. So yeah, and also, pangit yung buhok ko kapag kinat ko siya ng ganito, magiging mukha siyang bao. Hindi talaga niya carry. Kasi ginawa ko na yun ng grade 6. And pinagtawanan ako ng mga klase ko kasi ang pangit ko nga. So yeah, let's just go.
Down, let me so cold. And I can never see it in my mind that my God is always with me and he's got me in line. But thinking that I gotta know the future is the part that keeps me up late at night. Keeps me up late at night. Keeps me up late at night. Something, and I don't wanna be a cliche, but kissing you, babe, I'm on my knees and praying you're gonna stay. We're 7 years, but I knew I can handle it. The getting and forgetting who was just a part of it. But while I like you, and I don't wanna tell you that I know what you're going through, cause I probably don't. And I can never see it in my mind that my God is always with me and he's got me in line. But thinking that I gotta know the future is the part that keeps me up late at night.
Hi guys! So this is finally the end of this video and I just wanted to say that I really love this trio set so much and I highly recommend this for sensitive skin, oily skin, or dry skin ka man. Maganda tong set na to guys for you. But while I was using this set guys, nung first week and second week, hindi ako nagkakaroon ng pimples. But nung pinaka third week na, biglang dumami yung pimples ko, as in sobrang dumami siya. Pero feeling ko naman kaya dumami dahil magkakamera na ako. So hindi naman kasalanan guys ng product yon. But nawala rin naman siya guys nung malapit na magpa 30 days. And as you can see right here, wala akong guys nilagay na foundation or kahit ano sa face ko. Eyeshadow, kilay, and also lipstick lang ang nilagay ko. So this is what my skin looks like. So yeah, may konting pimples lang ako dahil doon. But overall, maganda guys yung skin ko. Talagang ramdam na ramdam ko na hydrated siya and sobrang healthy niyang tingnan. So guys, medyo pricey lang siya, but for me, it's worth it. Kasi maganda naman yung pinapakita ng product na to sa skin ko. I really hope that this video is helpful for you. So if you still have any questions, then please comment down below and I'll answer it all. So I really hope that you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to my channel. And also please hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video that I am posting every week. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!